It's our goal to give everyone a 5-star experience. And when we receive great feedback, it motivates us to do even more. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. Great feedback like this helps to keep us all very motivated. Our goal is to provide service that is second to none, and it's great to see that everyone appreciates our efforts. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love our exceptional service and attention to detail that have become our specialty. We want to thank you for checking us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.